Hi everyone, welcome to eLearnChat, where you always learn something new. And today we're going to learn something new and not that expensive, which is also good. We've got with us our good friends from iSpring. iSpring it has been one of our favorite tools for a very long time. And joining us today is, we've got Polina, Ionina, and we've got Arina, Vass, both from iSpring. Polina's the community manager there, and she's had a lot of different titles at iSpring, and we should have a good thing to see. Let's get started. And we're back, and joining us, we've got two lovely ladies who are going to talk about a new version of iSpring that's just out, which is rather inexpensive. Polina, how are you today?
I'm good, and actually, thank you very much for having us today, Rick. We very much appreciate it.
Our pleasure.
So, yeah, like you said, we are ready to launch a revolutionary update to our existing tool, iSpring Free, and it's going to happen on May 23rd. And I will be happy to tell you more about it today, as well as my colleague, Arina.
That sounds great. And by the way, for all of you who haven't yet tried iSpring or are familiar with it but haven't played with it or even have it and haven't upgraded, you'll find that iSpring, the current suite, which is 9, I believe, is just rock solid. It works beautifully. It's got a lot of features and functionality, so keep that in mind. But now we're going to talk about the iSpring Free version, which is also pretty neat.
Yeah, so first of all, I would like to tell you, actually, I'm going to tell you 4 awesome things about iSpring Free. First of all, it's free. So if you, for example, don't have a budget for e-learning projects just now, this is something you can easily and very quickly start with. And also, since iSpring Free is a PowerPoint-based application, you can create your content in a normal fashion, adding slides, animations, triggers, transitions in PowerPoint, and then add a couple of extra features through iSpring Free, such as, for example, adding a YouTube video or adding a web page through Web Object option. And also, you can even add a quiz now. The third thing that's awesome about iSpring Free is that you can output all of that content to HTML5 format, which makes it available across all devices like tablets and smartphones, and also just regular computer monitors. And what I personally like about it is that it has very convenient preview mode where you can see how your content looks before actually publishing it. So if it looks kind of messy, you get a chance to fix it right there. And the last thing that I would like to mention, but not the least, is that you can output your content to scorm standard, scorm 1.2 and 2004 to be exact, which allows you to keep track of how your learners are progressing. And I think this is amazing. And my colleague Arina, who is a senior technical support engineer at iSpring, will be more than happy to demonstrate, actually show and tell what iSpring Free is all about. So at this point, can I pass the mic over to Arina?
Sure.
Yes, sure. Hello, everyone. It is Arina from iSpring Tech Support. Give me just 1 second to share my screen. So just 1 moment. All right. So hello, everyone. I'm super happy that I have an opportunity today to give you an overview of iSpring Free, the free e-learning software that allows you to create mobile-ready quizzes and courses right in PowerPoint. With iSpring Free, you can turn any PowerPoint presentation into e-learning course in just few clicks. So let me show you. To get started, let's click on the iSpring Free shortcut on our desktop. So here in the starting menu, you can start fresh with a new course, or you can open a recent project. I've already prepared a PowerPoint presentation, so I will just open my recent project. So as you can see, iSpring Free tab appears on the PowerPoint main ribbon as an additional tab. And here we are in the iSpring Free interface. Let me show you what it looks like. So the first option is quiz. So another one is YouTube, web object, and also preview and publication. So with iSpring Free, you can publish to HTML5 format and to scorm format. As you can see, I can use all other PowerPoint tabs. So it means that you can add animations, transitions, slide designs, and any other PowerPoint features to create your courses. So now let's get back to the iSpring Free tab, and I will show you and I'll tell you more about each option. So first of all, we will add a quiz to our course. So I will create a new slide and click on the quiz button. Here in the starting menu, you can create two types of quizzes, a graded quiz or a survey. I will open my recent project, which is a graded quiz about Mount Everest. Here it is. To add a new question, we click on where it says question on the main ribbon. And with iSpring Free, you can add three types of questions. They are multiple choice, multiple response, and short answer. The newly added questions appear in the list on the left. So here you can insert your text. You can add media to your slide. So you can add new choices. And here you can set your points. So you can even use negative points. So now I will tell you about another very important option that will come in real handy if you do not have a learning management system. Basically, you can have all quiz results sent directly to your email address. So in this email, you will get a username and email and how well they performed, and also where it says introduction, and add a user info form. So here you can choose what questions you want to ask your users and see in the email that you will get. Let me show you what it looks like in the preview mode. So I'm clicking on preview and preview the first slide. Here it is. So the next step, so we go to properties, to reporting. Here I need to select Send Report to Instructor and insert my email address. Give me just 1 second. I will quickly insert that. Here it is. Don't forget to click Save. So it looks like we are all set, and we can save and we can click Save and return to course. So just 1 second. So the next option is YouTube. Basically, with iSpring Free, you can add a YouTube video to the slide and play it directly in the course. So you can play it in the course. Click YouTube and insert a link in the video link field and click OK. As you can see, I already have a YouTube video added in the slide. So I will just show you. Click on where it says Preview and preview selected slide. As you can see, I have a YouTube video playing within the course. So let's close it and move on to the web object. So with iSpring Free, you can add navigable web pages to make your courses even more informative. For example, you can add Wikipedia articles. So to do that, again, you will just need to click Web Object and insert your link to this field. So besides websites, you can add local files or an embed code. So to save time, I've already added a Wikipedia article on my slide, so I will show you what it looks like. Here it is. As you can see, I can scroll it down and read it. So when the course is ready, you can give it a quality check. To do that, you will need to click on Preview. So courses created with iSpring are compatible with all modern mobile devices and look great on any screen, including PC, Mac, or any smartphone, including iOS and Android. So here on top of the preview window, you can check that your course looks perfect on all types of devices. And here you have a perfect opportunity to fix it before actually publishing if you do not like something. So, and finally, we are in the publication mode. So let's click Publish. So courses published with iSpring keep all animations, transitions, and hyperlinks intact. So they are converted very accurately. So with iSpring Free, you can publish your courses to the HTML5 format to share it online on your website or blog, and to scorm format to upload it to your learning management system and track your users' progress. So it looks like we've gone through all the features of iSpring Free. So I wish you all the best in your future projects. So can I pass the mic to Polina now?
Sure.
Thanks a lot, Arina, for this wonderful overview. And at this point, I would like to mention that iSpring Free tool was not intended for commercial use. So whatever content you create should be used internally in your company and cannot be sold to anybody else. And also, you will not get any updates or technical support. However, when you grow out of iSpring Free features and you feel like you want to try something more sophisticated, I will definitely recommend you checking out iSpring Suite. And if you have any questions about it, please send them to support@ispringsolutions.com, and one of our managers will be more than happy to address them.
It's very nice. You get quite a bit for free. There's quite a bit of functionality there. And one of the nice things about e-learning today is how we tie everything together all around the web, all the web objects and everything else. So it gives you a lot of capabilities, because remember, you still have full PowerPoint behind you too. So you haven't lost the PowerPoint capability. So that should be a lot of fun, especially if you're first-time users. It's a good way to get your feet wet and just jump into e-learning development. It'll be fun.
Right, and actually on Wednesday we are going to hold another webinar with Arina, where she will be talking about how to start e-learning with no budget, and she will be talking about iSpring Free again, and actually uploading this course created with iSpring Free to Moodle LMS.
Oh, nice. That'll be really good. So that's this Wednesday.
Yep,
that's tomorrow. Tomorrow, what time?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I say Wednesday? So Wednesday, iSpring Free is launching,
Okay.
and on Thursday, we are going to have this webinar, and you can actually sign up for it at ispringsolutions.com/webinars.
And if by any chance you miss it, I believe you folks record them and you can watch them later, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, sure.
So,
Yeah. That's great. Well, that's wonderful. I hope this tool gets out there and does a really good job for everyone. And like Polina said, upgrade. Believe me, you get a lot more value. And the price of the upgrade is minimal compared to a lot of other tools out there. It's a good tool. We've used different components of iSpring Suite, and they all work. They work really nicely. So I appreciate you guys coming on and talking about the new free version of iSpring. And we look forward to seeing you folks again, as always.
thanks for inviting us, Rick. We very much appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
Thank you very much. We are really happy to be there.
Thanks, Arina. And we'll see you folks next time on the next eLearnChat. Have a good one, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.